Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the January 2020 Birchbox. This is what the box looks like this month. It's like a drawer, it looks like. So very cute. I love blue, so this is really adorable. They've been switching up their box style lately, which I like. I've been getting Birchbox forever. Birchbox was my very first subscription box. If you don't know what Birchbox is, it's a beauty subscription. It is monthly, and for new members it costs $15. I do have a link, it's a referral link that will get you $9 off your first 3 months. So if you guys are interested, I will leave that down below. I will also link down below a giveaway I have going on. I kind of have several giveaways going on. Some are hidden in videos. So yeah, today we will be opening up Birchbox and we'll see what's inside. They offer a lot of customization now, which I think is great. So each month, or on the 28th of the month beforehand, you get to customize. So the choices are, you get to pick out of a few samples. So you get to pick one of your items that comes in your box, or you can pick a curated box. So they usually have between like 4 and 6 curated boxes, so you can know exactly what's coming. You can also swap out your box for a full-size product. Whatever that full-size product varies each month. I can't remember what it was this month, so I did not choose that. I actually chose a sample, and I'm kind of forgetting what it is right now, but I'm sure I'll remember when we come across it. And you can also just have it be a complete surprise, or you can not get your box and instead get loyalty points. So what loyalty points are their points to spend on the Birchbox website. I actually love the Birchbox website. They have a bunch of good skincare, makeup, hair stuff, and they oftentimes have great sales. So I've purchased a lot of things from Birchbox's website, so you can also check that out using the link I'm gonna list down below. But anyways, I think that's enough information. If you have any questions about Birchbox, I've been getting it so long, feel free to ask down in the comment section. But yeah, let's get started and see what I got for January. I'm gonna do guys right before, like now, like when I was setting up my camera and stuff, I stepped on an earring and it went all the way in my foot and I had to pull it out. It's like the longest backing of an earring I've ever seen too. I like threw it over here because I was like mortified. So sorry if this grosses anyone out. It hurts, but can you guys see that? I stepped all the way on that and I had to pull it out of my foot, so yeah, ouchie. But this is distracting me, so this is good. So let's open this up. There's a card here, and it looks like there's a quote. It says, Birchbox tip. Okay, so not a quote, a tip. Birchbox tip number 23. I wonder if we got different tips. If you guys got Birchbox this month, let me know if yours was different. I'd love to know some more makeup tricks, but it says, it's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it. So change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin. That is very true. And on the back it says, new year, fresh routine, and it lists the 5 products that come inside. You usually get between 5 and 6 products, and then it also gives their full size pricing. So normally we get sample sizes in Birchbox. Every now and then you'll get a full size. So yeah, kind of give you a little sneak peek of what is in here. So I'm gonna grab the first thing. It looks like this is a mascara. I think I might have gotten this in the past. This is the Douce Punk Volumizer Mascara. And I'm not gonna open it because I have a bunch of mascaras open already, but so this is obviously small. I don't mind getting mascara minis because they still last a long time, and mascara has a short shelf life, especially compared to other makeup types, so that you wanna like go through your mascara the longest like 3 months, like I would say like 2 to 3 months, so this is perfect. But the full size would be $24, and it says, eyes look wide awake when they're met with this big brush mascara that separates and fully coats lashes while pulling them upward for a full volume effect. Nice. Maybe I'll bring that in my travel bag. I don't know. I've been like really stuck on my Thrive Cosmetics mascara though. Okay, now I remember. I knew this would happen. I remember what I selected. So a while back in Birchbox, well I guess it wasn't that long ago, we had the option to choose between 2 things. One of them was this. And I didn't select it, so I really want to try it because I've heard good things. It's the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm, so it's a pretty filter. So this is like a primer, I think. So this is obviously a smaller size. This is just 5 mLs. The full size would be $32, and Touch and Soul is new to Birchbox, it says. It says, this smooth moisturizing primer melts into skin, leaving behind a brighter complexion and a glow that lasts all day. Apply as a last step of your skincare routine. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand because I want to feel it. There's a safety seal, so that is good. It doesn't seem like there's a smell, but I put a little bit on my hand. Yeah, it feels nice and soft. Oh, there's like a tiny bit of a scent. It just smells like skincare, which, like, you know, like Spotlight, just smells good. So great, I can't wait to try this out because I've heard many of you guys rave about this. I think I chose the setting spray by Butter London, or Iconic London. I knew Butter London wasn't right. I think this is what I chose instead, but anyways, let's move on to the next item in the Birchbox. So this is the Orbe Maximista Thickening Spray. Yeah, nice. So they must have gone by my profile. I didn't mention this. Birchbox does have a profile, so when you sign up, you know, fill that out, and you can also update it at any time. But I have very thin hair, and I could totally use some thickening, and Orbe is a great hair care brand. It says spray on damp hair section by section from roots to end, blow dry to the highest volume. So I will definitely try this out. Let's see what it says. Did I show you guys this yet? So the full size would be $39. Yeah, Orbe is expensive, so I'm glad I get to try it out. If it works, I might have to get it. It says this medium hold volumizing spray builds body while protecting from damage, dryness, and color fading. Spray all over damp hair in sections, then blow dry or air dry. 2 more items. Next is by Melon & Goats. This is a revitalizing eye gel. This is 3 ml. So here's the outer packaging. It came in a box. So it says this is the first time this item has been in Birchbox, and it is $42 for the full size. Since this is an eye product, this will last a while because you only need a little bit. Like, it is super teeny, but this will be like, you know, you can definitely use this for like a month probably, I would say, depending on how liberal you are. Let's see, I'm just gonna, so again, there's a safety seal. Oh, I got some on my nail when I was opening it, so I will just, it's like a clear gel. Yeah, just feels nice. I don't really know why I'm trying an eye gel. So let's read about it because that'll give us more useful information. It says, this soothing, hydrating eye gel alleviates tired looking eyes by cooling on contact and brightening skin with diamond powder. Ooh, bougie. Dab a little underneath the eyes with your ring finger. I heard it is good to use your ring finger because it's like your weakest finger, so it doesn't like press down or tug on your skin, your delicate eye area too much. But now let's talk about the last item. This looks so cute. It's a little mini lip gloss, I think, by Love of Color. And there is a wrapping over it, like a safety seal wrap, so let me get this off. So we got this in the shade Glow. It's got a little baby doe foot. Well, I guess the doe foot's the same size, but little baby size. So cute. Oh, it smells good, like buttercream or whatever. So it's like a nice nude gloss. Nice. Let's read a little bit about it. So Love of Color, it's a Birchbox exclusive. The full size is $10. It says it's all about shine with this lip gloss, which pairs a high gloss finish with a sheer honey gold color. The sheen instantly gives lips a fuller, plumper appearance. Nice. I'm happy to have this. I'm getting into glosses more. So awesome. So quick recap, we got mascara, we got a thickening spray, a primer, eye gel, and a lip gloss. So kind of skincare heavy, I guess. A little bit of hair care, some makeup. Or actually, no, it's like even. It's makeup. I don't know why I thought it was more skincare. I think because I'm so used to boxes being skincare heavy lately. So we got 2 makeup items, 1 hair item, and 2 skincare. And you might even actually consider a primer makeup. So sometimes I do, but I guess it is, they say use it as your last step of your skincare routine, but yeah, or the first step of your makeup routine. So you can go either way there, but I am happy with this one's box. What I'm most excited for is to try the item I chose, which is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter. And also the eye gel and the lip gloss and the thickening spray, actually. I don't really get excited about mascara just because I found my Love the Thread Cosmetics lash extension mascara, but I will try it out eventually. So before we say goodbye, I want to sneak in here and do a little giveaway. Like I said, this month I am incorporating mini giveaways throughout my videos. There are some going on in other videos right now, by the way, so if you haven't watched recent videos, check those out. But I have 3 items here for today's giveaway. So the first one, this is kind of like the high ticket item, I would say. This is by Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. And I think this is like $85 or something like that. I've had this in the past, it's great. I just have so many exfoliating products already in my skincare collection, so I wanted to share this with one of you guys. And then I included a hair care product, which I have double of. I love this. I use it when I wash my hair. This is by Drybar. It's their Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And I think this stuff works really well. This is obviously full size, so I'll be getting that. And then I have a face mask here by Vici Laboratories. This is the Double Glow Peel Mask with Volcanic Rock and AHA. And I'll probably throw in another item or two as a little surprise, but those are the main items. So for my giveaways, it's always easy to enter. Number one rule, you have to be a subscriber to our channel. You have to like this video and leave a comment down below. You can leave as many comments as you want. In a week from now, so on the 20th, the giveaway will end, and I will pick a winner on the 21st. And what I will do is I'll use a random comment generator, and I will use that, and I'll come up with a comment, and then I will verify that that person followed all the rules, so subscribed and liked, and obviously they commented because the generator pulled up their comment. And then I will, if they followed all the rules, I will pin the winner's comment and leave a reply to their comment, and they'll have 48 hours to get back to me. If I don't hear back within 48 hours, I will select another winner. So yeah, I will leave all of the rules down below. So yeah, this is open for 1 week, so if you're interested, make sure to enter. I want to do these giveaways as a big thank you to you guys for all your love and support. I love all of you so much. I love talking to you. You guys make YouTube such a joy. But anyways, yeah, good luck, and thank you all for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!